welcome to Folklore Cooks. Friends, today I am going to share a recipe of mushroom biryani. So we require 1 packet of mushroom which is washed and chopped and kept. The spices, cinnamon 2 inch, star anise 1, moggu, Marathi moggu 3 to 4, cloves 6, cardamom 4, bay leaf 2. We require 2 to 3 stands of pudina, onions. I have chopped and kept 2 onions, 6 green chilies, 2 tomatoes, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, coconut milk extract 1 cup, coriander powder 1.5 tablespoon, chili powder 1/2 tablespoon, turmeric powder a pinch. First turn on the flame. In a cooker I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. We have added all the spices into it. Now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now I am going to add pudina into it and saute them well. Next I am going to add the sliced onion along with the green chilies. Now the onions are well sauteed. Now the onions are soft. Now we are going to add the coriander powder, chili powder and a pinch of turmeric powder into it. Now I am going to add the sliced tomatoes and saute them until they are soft. In this glass, I have taken 3 glasses of rice which is washed and soaked here. So in the same glass, I will be measuring 6 glasses of water along with 1 glass of coconut milk. Soak the rice for 20 minutes. You can even make this biryani in basmati rice or jeera rice. I am using the normal rice here. Now the tomatoes are soft. Now we are going to add the salt as required. Add the washed mushroom here. Saute them well. Now the mushroom is cooked well. Mushroom and the masalas are sauteed well. So totally I am going to add 7 glasses of water for 3 glasses of rice. Now I am adding coconut milk first. Totally I am adding 7 glasses of water. In this stage you can check the salt and the spice. If you want to add chili powder or salt, you can add in this stage. Now I am adding the soaked rice here. Mix them well and keep it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let's see how our mushroom biryani is cooked. Yes, it's cooked so well. So now we are going to mix it well before serving. Our mushroom biryani is now ready. Looks so yum. So I am going to serve this along with raitha and a tomato salad. Friends, hope you liked this recipe and you enjoyed this video. Do like my channel and subscribe my channel. Like this video, give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Thank you.